Welcome to my channel and my video, friends. Today we are going to install Subway Surfers game on our PC. So let's start our video, friends. As you know, today we are installing Subway Surfers on our PC. It's not the matter of Android phone or your iOS device. Firstly, check the description and open the link given in the description. This is a Mediafire link, and I can assure you that this will be 100% virus free and it will be safe for your computer. Yes, it's loading. You have to download it. If you install this game on your Android device, it will cost you around 80 MB, but if you install this on your PC, it will just cost you 20.16 MB. Download it. Okay, the download is started. I'm skipping this procedure because I have already downloaded it. Now go to your default download location. My default download location is my downloads. Okay, this is my downloads folder. Let's refresh it. Okay, now you can also search here, or you can find it manually like this. I will go with the shortcut method. I'll search Subway. As you can see, Subway Surfer setup. Just open it, friends. It is 100% safe. Now you will get the setup. Okay, the setup is opened. Next. Okay, the Subway Surfers game is installing on our PC, friends. This will be very fun to play it on your PC. Okay, it is almost installed, friends. If you need any videos, please comment it in my videos. I will definitely do it for you. Now, as you can see, the game is installed on our PC. Now let's open it. If you run it as administrator, according to me, it will give a smoother gameplay. Just click on no. And then run as administrator and click on yes. Okay, in this game you can also adjust the screen resolution as per your requirement or your comfortability, as it is comfortable. You can also have your own input methods, that is the controls. You can edit them and you can also set your own controls. You can also play it with a joystick. You can also adjust the screen resolution, as you can see. Let's try it out, friends. It may hang in the first time you open it, so let's try it, friends. Let's play it. You will somewhat get a screen like this. It's most probably common in the first time. It will take some time to open. Then as you can see, the graphics are similar to the Android version of the phone. Now you will get the character painting the train or whatever. Yeah, this was the proof that you can install Subway Surfers on our PC. Now thank you for watching my video, friends. Please like, comment and share my videos. Thank you.